You are now at a location further along the TBM backup, getting closer to the TBM. Locos navigate through the TBM backup gantries to deliver materials and components into the TBM. Space is extremely tight, so loco movements are strictly controlled. Atmospheric monitoring equipment and other ancillary devices can also be seen in this area. Look along the TBM backup to see the coloured rope lights that are flickering red here. These lights run the length of the TBM backup. The lights signal and indicate loco movements in the TBM. When the light is switched to green, this signals the loco to move in by, towards the TBM. When switched to blue, this signals the loco to move out by, away from the TBM. When red, all loco movements will stop. When the Manchester gate is open, this allows the loco to proceed into the TBM when the green rope light is illuminated. A Manchester gate is the term used for the barrier that is installed across the track at the rear of the TBM backup. Where a Manchester gate is installed, it must be kept closed until the fully coupled train is ready to move into the TBM. Attached to the walkway handrail close by, you can see a coiled yellow cable. A number of service cables provide the electric, control and communication systems that power much of the plant and equipment along the length of the TBM. Qualified electrical personnel ensure that cables and other electrical components are safely isolated before extending cables or performing routine maintenance. Cables should always be kept tidy and out of the way of personnel. This will reduce the risk of trips and falls. Electrical voltages range from 11,000 volts, main TBM supply, down to 110 volts for operating small tools and ancillary equipment. Immediately above the coiled cable, there is a red, cone-shaped device. This is an audio-visual alarm which will activate in an emergency condition to indicate an atmospheric alarm or fire on the TBM. To the left of the coiled yellow cable, you will see a box-shaped structure with equipment inside. This is one of the atmospheric monitoring points. This equipment is constantly monitoring the atmospheric conditions in the tunnel. In the event of a build-up of harmful gases, you may need to or be instructed to make your way to a place of safety. This may mean immediately evacuating the tunnel, if it is safe to do so, or making your way to the refuge chamber if your route to the surface is blocked. Note here that no materials or tools are stored along the TBM backup walkway. The walkway needs to be kept clear at all times to allow safe access and egress along the walkway.